Hello friends, welcome to my channel Profit with Elliott Web. So today Nifty again move a downtrend. So as I told yesterday that market is sell on rise. So and also I told you that if it is crossing this blue 13 days moving average high and you see two green candlesticks subsequently, then only you exit your short position. So today also Nifty didn't give any chance to exit our short position, so we are holding the short position. So but now also what I told you in my last couple of videos that this is a very good support zone, and if it is holding then we can see a rise towards 61.8% from here, but it didn't hold. So neither it hold, okay, neither it hold, so nor this one hold, okay, and Nifty went on. So now it is in a measure this one, okay, it is in a measure this one also another support zone. And if you see a trend line from here, if you join a trend line, 2 points trend line, see one, so 2 points trend line, then you can see this trend line is holding, okay, this trend line is holding this one, okay, this trend line is holding now, okay. But what you should also see what I have told you, if this is breaking, what I told that Nifty can come over to this region. So this could be a one of the support region, okay, that also I have told you, okay. It could be a this one of the support region 13,000, that is 135, okay. So right now if you see the count, actually from here to here I was thinking that it is almost done. 1 2 now 3, today it makes actually 4, okay, today it makes actually 4 and 5, whether this is a question mark, whether it will be come over here or it can terminate over here, okay. So if it is terminating over here, so then it can go, okay, it can go up to here, okay. So fifth wave is still on the way, okay. So I was thinking that the wave will terminate over here, the third move, and but today also it didn't give any chance to exit our position. So fifth wave is on the way now, the fourth is completed over here. So if fifth is going over here, it can come over and get a support over here, because another trend line is over here, okay. What is the another trend line? So this is the major trend line from where it started actually. See this is the major trend. This is the March 2020, it is a fall. Then after that this trend line, if you draw from here to 2 points, okay, 2 points, if you draw a trend line, then this trend line is coming over here. So one of the support I feel is one of the support over here, and already I told you why I think this is a major support, because this whole retracement, if you see, that is a 23.6%, okay, which if it is broken then it can come to 38.2% over here. 12,430 somewhere is the last high, this one, okay, that will be coming around 38.2% retracement. So and this one is 23.6% retracement. So it is good that if Nifty holds this, otherwise we can see a bounce from here to here, okay. And what will be the bounce from here to here? If you see the retracement, so how much it is coming actually? So it is coming around 14,130, okay. So it could be, so we'll check if it is bouncing, then what it is going to make, okay. It will be a 3 waves ABC, or it will be again a 5 wave. So we'll see whenever the Nifty falls like this, you see the rise, how it has been rise. Okay, so see, whenever the Nifty falls like this, so if a then a rise is a terrible. So it is good that it is correcting. So anyway, we are in the short position, we are not exited our position, because to exit our position we should our green candles, green candles should close above this 13 days moving average high. Okay, then if it is going along with the trend, let's go, let's the money comes. Oh, no need to worry about. Okay, that is my point. So the count also you should understand now what is the count I am counting, and according to you should be aligned with the count, and you should be aligned with the levels. Okay, so and in case of Nifty Bank also, I see the fall is still, I am waiting for this region of whatever I have shared with you, the view. So I am waiting for this region. So now if Bank Nifty is completing its move, it is well and good, because this I think this will be okay. It can extend till 27,898 also. If it is tomorrow, it is again, it is Monday, if it is again falling. Okay, the range would be somewhere up to here, from here to here, 27,898, or it can terminate from here also. Okay, 0.618. so that's what I am telling. So Bank Nifty, anyway, it is in the, this is the third move, and this is the fourth is going on. Okay, fourth is going on. Let's see what happens. So I think we are well, so toward the target. Okay, so if there is a if possible that Monday, if it is a gap up, then you could exit your long and wait for the exit your short and wait for again, if it is coming over this red line. Okay, red 13 days moving average low, you can again re-enter. Actually, that is not a problem. And Monday is a budget day, so be cautious. The range will be very high, and as VIX is very high, actually it is near to the 25, so tremendous move can come. Okay, so if you are going, if you can handle it, it is okay, or you can exit your position. Okay, that's it guys. Be safe, be cautious, and trade. That is your money. Okay, that's it guys. Bye.